Hello, Dev. How are you? All good? Okay. So now let us start our today's class. Okay. So as per the discussions we have done tomorrow, sorry, as per the discussions we have done yesterday, we solved up to question number 9, right? And then now in today's class, we will start from question number 10, isn't it? Okay. So let me share my screen. Okay, look at here. Look at the question. What the question is saying? Question number 10. A bacterium splits into every 5 minutes. Now, sorry, a bacterium splits into every 5 minutes. New cells also continue splitting in the same way, right? Use a table to help. Now, question number 10 ऐसो से है right बाबू 10 को क्वेश्चन को डिस्क्रिप्शन दिए को सर राइट नाउ व्हाट क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज आस्किंग how long will it take for one cell to divide into 4 cells 16 cells and then 64 cells, right? In the same way, how a single cell is set aside to divide for 2 hours, how many cells will there be for after this time? So दुईटा questions 10 नंबर ले यो क्वेश्चन को गाइडलाइंस यो सेट गरेको छ right? And then question number A is asking this one, B is asking this one, right? So 10 A र B दुईटै भयो यो. Okay, so while solving the question you will understand it properly. Okay, so let us start solving the question. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, let me share whiteboard. Okay, it's question number 10, right? So let us write question number 10. Okay. So let me write. Wait. Give me a minute, okay? Give me a minute. Yeah. So the question is, a bacterium splits into every 5 minutes. And then use a table to take help. Okay. So the better, let us start solving this question. Now, look at here. What I am asking you is to determine how long it will take for a bacterium to divide into a specific number of cells. We can use a table to track the cell division process, isn't it? right? So let's start by calculating the time required for the bacterium to divide into 4 cells, 16 cells, and 64 cells. Okay, so let me write it in your screen. Okay. Mm, so here it is. 10 को A. It's question number 10, A. Babu. 10, question number 10, A. 10, A. Okay, its solution. So I am writing it as to determine how long it will take for a bacterium to divide into a specific number of cells. We can use a table to track the cell division process. Let's start by calculating the time required for the bacterium to divide it into 4 cells, 16 cells, and 64 cells, right? As mentioned in the question is also asking us how long will it take for a one cell to divide into 4, 16, and 64 cells, isn't it? So as per the question we have written, right? We have written that, okay? So make a table for, let us make a table where there will be two separate rows. One will be for time and the next one will be for number of cells. Okay, okay, here it is. So let's start making table. Ah, table. Right. Yes, this is. So let us give it for the number of cell and let us give it as time in minutes. Aye, Lara, 0 minute, 5 minute, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and the last one, the 30 minutes. Correct? Yes. So 30. Okay. Now this one is the perfect table. Yeah, 30 wire. You are 25. This one is for 20. This one is for 15. This one is for 10. Then this one is for 5. Right? So, Etaira, as mentioned in the question, what question has mentioned? Look at carefully. Question has mentioned that a bacterium splits in 2 every 5 minutes. Means it splits into 2 parts. माने को हर एक 5 मिनट में actually it breaks down into 2 parts, right? Question लिखते हो बने को सर. Read the question carefully, you will get the thing. So Okay. So come to the whiteboard. I Allah. It's zero. Zero like one bar. Number of cells one. Right? So again in 5 minutes it becomes two. I kina vandakeri kina two. Why two? Because question has mentioned in every 5 minutes it splits into two. So 0 to 5. This यसको बीचमा टाइम ड्युरेसन कति छ 5 मिनट करेक्ट यसको बीचमा ड्युरेसन कति छ 5 मिनट यसको र यसको बीचमा ड्युरेसन कति छ 5 मिनट यसको र यसको बीचमा ड्युरेसन कति छ 5 मिनट सो बिट्विन each time interval there's a gap of 5 minutes correct so 1 2 okay again after 2 we can write it as 4 because it splits into two parts. So 2 2s are 4. Again 4 times 2 is 8. Again 8 times 2 is 16. Again 16 times 2 is 32. Again 32 times 2 is 64. So how I have designed this table? You have understand the concept or not? Look at here. First for 0 minute, number of cell is 1. For the 5 minutes, number of cell is 2. Again for 10 minutes, every 5 minutes interval ma the number of cells is splitting into two more parts. 1 7 2, 2 7 2 times 2 4, 4 7 4 times 2 8, 8 7 8 times 2 16, 16 7 16 times 2 is 32. Again 32 7 32 times 2 is 64. Okay, so we have made a table like this, correct? After that, what we can write? Okay, we can write it like this. As I have already solved this question, as I have solved these questions, let me write here. Now, okay. Aita, la, it's done, correct? So, what is written here? How long will it take for one cell to divide into 4 cells, 16 cells, 64 cells? So, you hear Babu, you have 4 cells, 16 cells, and 64 cells. These are asked in question, isn't it? So, the bacterium divides into 4 cells in how much minutes? 4 cells, number of cell number of cell 4 cells यहाँ छ कति time लाग्यो? It's 10 minutes, right? So the bacterium divides into 4 cells in 10 minutes. You get it? Okay. Now it's done for 16 cells. So how much time does it require for a bacterium to divide it into the 16 cells? So actually it requires how much? 20 minutes. So the bacterium divides into 16 cells in 20 minutes. Again for 64 cells, the bacterium divides into 64 cells in 30 minutes. 64, 30. Its number of cell, its time, right? So a single cell is set aside to divide for 2 hours. That is 120 minutes. We can calculate how many cells will be there after this time by using the table above. Okay. So look at here how logical this question is. This question is logical as well as easier too. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So for Avatara, question has asked question has asked us यो क्वेसनलाई म टेबल बनाएर बुझाउँछु है। हेर है क्वेसन नम्बर बी मा के भनेको छ भन्दाखेरि बाबु, here is one table, the same table like this for question number B है। This table is for question number B. Okay, and here it is. So come here. So it's time period and its number of cell. So time period दिएको छ, that is 120 minutes. So and we have to find number of cells. So as per this table, in 30 minutes we used to form 64 cells. Am I correct? So the question has asked us, in 120 minutes how many cells will be there? Use the table to find the answer. Use this table to get the answer. Correct? So look at it. Wait, my pen is not working properly. Okay, now I think it will work. Yes, it is working. Now look at here. In 120 minutes, the cell division, will go through various way. Okay, so okay. Allah. So in 120 minutes, the cell division will go through multiple round of cell divisions, right? So according to the table above, your table ko mathi, according to the table above, for the formation of one cell, it takes how much minute? Look at the table. Right, Babu. One cell देखिए, two cell भयो in 5 minutes. भयो one देखिए two भयो है. Again from two cell to four cell, again in another 5 minutes, right? Again 4 cell to 8 cell in another 5 minutes, again 8 cell to 16 cell in another 5 minutes. Correct? Again 8 cell to 16 cell, 16 to 32, 16 cell to 32 cell in another 5 minutes. In the same way, 32 cell to 64 cell in again another 5 minutes, isn't it? So the things keep on going, right? The things keep on going. Now, at the end of the 2 hours, listen to me. At the end of the 2 hours, that is 120 minutes, there will be 64 cells. Okay. After the end of the 2 hour, how much? After the end of 2 hours, it will be 64 cells, isn't it? Because 4, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, nothing. I was just counting some randomness or uh, uh, so therefore after the end of the 2 hours it will be 64 cell. Okay, now it would be more better for you either take a screenshot of these questions, either take a screenshot or make sure you will copy. Okay, take a screenshot. It's question number A, and this one is for B. Eh? This one is for B. This station number A, and this one is 410B. ये B number को solution हो, correct? Hope you better understand. If you didn't understand any points, then you can simply drop your message in the chat. Okay, chat section. Allah. So let me go to the next question. That is question number how much? Question number 11, I guess. Yeah, it's time for question number 11. So what this question is saying, let us go to the question first. Hey, question लिखिए भनेको छ सुरुमा question बुझ्नुपर्छ बाबु. If you didn't understand what the question is saying, you won't understand what the solution is. Okay, so here the question, most probably you have not seen right now. Okay, okay. Yeah, let me copy the question from book and paste it. Okay, and then I will share start. Yeah, enter, and then bracket. Yeah, so the question is ready. Let me share the screen. Right, Dev. Look at the question number 11. Share whiteboard. Share. Yeah. So now you can see the question, right? So what the question is saying, question number 11, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 ले यो भनिरहेको छ कि हेर ओके एकछिन बाबु give me some time. Yeah, done. So question number 11 is saying a share broker says he can triple a share broker says he can triple your money every year. So you invest $1,000 with him, right? So here's question बुझाए. Let us suppose this man, as I am not good in drawing, so please forgive me for that. So this person is share broker. So who are share broker? You know? Okay. If you don't know, let me teach you that thing. So share broker is the person who buy and sells stock market shares. That is stock market trader. Share broker are stock market trader. They purchase and sell the shares. Okay. So you have understand? Okay. So here's the pen again. So a share broker says he can triple your money, isn't it? So this one is a share broker. Am I right? Share broker. Let us denote it as SB. SB for share broker. And he says that if you invest $1,000 with him, he can triple your money every year. So that is into 3 times, right? So every year you give him an initial investment as $1,000 and you are getting the final investment as how much dollar? $3,000 because he's said that he will triple your money, right? So it's $3,000, isn't it? Now look at here. Let me make a chart for you to make understand this question. Okay, look at here. What was the initial investment? How much? Initial investment was 1,000, right? After 1 year, how much you are getting? 3,000. After 1 year, isn't it? Again, in 2 year, how much you are getting? This is initial investment. Initial investment. Correct? 1,000 is your initial investment. After 1 year, the share broker says he will triple your money every year. So you are getting 3 times of your initial investment. That is 3,000. Again, in the second year, in 2 years, you will get this amount into 3 times. Into 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So $9,000. Again, in third year, how much you are getting? 9 times 3, right? So it's $27,000. Again, in 4 years, how much you are getting? 27 into 4. Yes. So it's $81,000, right? And in the final year, that is 5 years, how much you will get? 81 times 3. So it's $243,000. My God, it's much greater amount, isn't it? So question is, how much should your investment be worth in 5 years time? So the answer is how much? At the final, in the answer will be 243, isn't it? So 243,000, right? So you can write the question, you can write the answer of question number A like this. Look at it, how to write. Question number A, answer. So investment will be 2,43,000 in 5 years, isn't it? As I have made this chart, you have understand it, isn't it? So what you have written the answer of question number A को लेके हो, अब B को है, B लेके भनेको छ बाबु, for how many years you should invest if you were hoping for a total of at least 1, 10,000, 10,000 lakh. Okay. So for $1 lakh, isn't it? But at the end of the 5 year, how much we are earning? 243. So look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. यति अमाउन्ट पाउनको लागि, यति डलर पाउनको लागि कति वर्ष इन्भेस्टमेन्ट गर्नुपर्छ भनेको छ अहिले है, कति वर्ष, for up to how much year? But at the end of the 5 years, how much you are making? You are making 243, 1, 2, 3. 1. So which one is greater? This one is greater, right? Than this, isn't it? So around 4.5 years, around 4 years, and between the 4 and 5 years, that is 4 years and 6 months, not approximately, यसको र यसको बिचमा you can make this much amount. Am I correct? है, यो दुईटाको बिचको टाइममा यो इन्भेस्टमेन्ट you can make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, hey. So for question number B, answer is at least 5 years or 4.5 years. You can write दुईटाबाट कुनै पनि एउटा लेख्न सकिन्छ है बाबु है. So you can write it as your choice. It totally depends upon you. Okay. So question number 11 पनि solve भयो है. अब हेर, you have solved question number 10, we have solved question number 11. Now it's turn for question number 12. So let me go to question number 12 first. Yeah, I got the question number 12. The question number 12 is asking, the weight of a 12 kg fat cat reduces by 10% each month. Okay, first of all, let me copy this question and paste it into whiteboard. Okay. Control C. Control P. Okay. So I have uh, paste the question here, and then the question goes like this, and then again I have to share the screen. Yeah, Dave, I am still waiting for your assignment that you solved yesterday. You have not you have not dropped it in your chat box. Okay, so make sure you will drop it, because time and again I have been requesting you for this thing, but you have not sent me. I don't know what's going on, what's the reason, but I know you are a good boy, so you will do it. Okay, so please drop your assignments on time. Okay, always take care of the deadlines, don't miss it. Okay, so solution of this question number 12. So let me share screen. Screen share bio China owns. Yeah, now achieve bio. I hope. Yeah, done. So what question is asking? The weight of a 12 kg fat, the weight of 12 kg fat cat reduces by 10% each month. What, right? So here's the cat. Where is cat? Here it is. Let me insert a cat. Images. No cat. Okay, I have to draw it again. So, this one, and then this one, and then this one. How funny my drawing is. And then this one, and then this one, and then again this one. Look at the figure. This one is this, actually this fit is fat, and this is again. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so sorry, please forgive me for this drawing, such a bad drawing, right? It's not like it seems to be rat instead of cat. Okay, so jokes apart, so let's start. So this one, let us suppose this is cat. Okay, and its weight is 12 kg. And what happens is it reduces by 10% each month. भनेको every month 10% को हिसाबले यो 12 kg बाट यसको fat घटिरहेको छ है बाबु. अब हेर, how long does it take for the cat to be at least 6 kg lighter than its original weight, right? So original weight, original WT is equals to how much? It's 12 kg. And then demand weight, demanded dead weight कति 6 kg. Question it has asked us, question ले कति demand गरेको छ वेट 6 kg पुग्नको लागि 6 kg लाइटर हुनको लागि ओरिजिनल वेट भन्दा how much time it will take, isn't it? So think sometime, think logically. How much time does it take? Think. As I have already solved this question, I will directly paste the solution, okay? And I am pretty sure you will understand it. The time over for you. Thinking time is over. So let me provide a solution here. You understand everything. This diagram, what the question is asking, you have understand everything, right? So let me erase this all. Okay. Control. Good. So I have the right. So here it is. My laptop charge has finished almost. It's going to be dead. So no worries. Okay. So here's the solution. Okay. I hope you will understand this all thing, right? So for taking screenshots, let me hold it and then I will move to the second portion of this question. Like total answer यहाँ से रहा. Finally, it will take 12 months for the cat to be at least 6 kg lighter than its original weight. Such a long answer, such a lengthy answer, right? So for this lengthy answer, I will give you a time to take a screenshot and read it yourself. After you didn't understand, I will help you again. So you have to tell me, okay? So I will give you a 10 seconds to take a screenshot for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I hope you have taken this screenshot. Now take a screenshot of the second part. Right? Okay. Yeah. Again, I will give you 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you have taken the screenshot of this store. Again, for the last segment of this answer, here it is. Take a screenshot of this as well. Again, I will allot you a 10 seconds for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I hope you have taken all the screenshots as I have told, as I have mentioned. So let me share this whiteboard as well. Copy link. Okay. Let me check. Either I can share with you or not. Chat.google. Okay, I am sharing. Most probably, I will be sharing this whiteboard with you. Okay. In your I have sent you the link of the whiteboard. So in this whiteboard, you will find all the solutions. Okay. So this much for today class, and we'll see you tomorrow. Now, first of all, but before ending class, one more thing I have to say you is your assignment will be how much up to question number. Note it down. Question number 10, 11, 12, right? So this is your assignment. And one more thing we have to do is try to solve question number 13 and 14 as well. I will ask you, no worries if you solve it in an incorrect manner, but you have to try it and you have to show it to me that here's the solution that I have tried. Is it correct or not? You have to show it to me. Okay. So we'll see you in tomorrow class. This much for today. Take care. Bye. Okay. Okay. See you tomorrow.